Hello and welcome to this complete guide on Excel for beginners. Excel is a powerful tool that can be used to handle and manipulate data. This beginner-friendly course will introduce you to the important concepts and components of Excel. Depending on your job or the kind of work you do, you may only need some of the features that Excel offers. For example, you might only need to use charts, pivot tables or macros. Once you have completed this course, you will understand the essential parts of Excel that work for you and then go deeper into the areas of your interest. In this course, you will learn to create and format cells, to enter and edit data, to use formulas and functions, to create charts and pivot tables, to automate tasks with macros and much more. This course is for anyone who wants to learn the basics of Excel. Whether you are a student, a working professional, or just someone who wants to learn how to use Excel, this course is for you. To follow along with this course, you will need a computer with Excel installed. You will also need a basic understanding of computers and how to use a mouse and a keyboard, that's all. This course is divided into several modules. Each module covers a different topic related to Excel. The modules are designed to be self-paced, so you can learn at your own pace.